Hey there, what I'm going to show you today is the iDid application and how it can be set up to control several different home automation devices. As you may know, there are several different brands out there and all of them work differently. They have their own applications, etc. But iDid kind of consolidates all that, and given that it's a contextual intelligence platform, it can automate in a very smart way how to control your home automation devices. Now, iDid is an application that learns from you, and it automatically discovers the places that you visit, your drives, your flights, your meetings, and all that. And of course, it logs all of that into the calendar that you select. So all of that data is completely known and private only to you. Okay, so now, this is the when you launch iDid, you'll see a screen like this, which shows where you are and several actions associated with that place. And of course, it keeps up with things that you do all day long, as you can see over here. A couple of days ago, I went to Costco. I went to and had lunch at a buffet. I went to bed at 9 o'clock. Well, kind of early for that day. And the day before, I went to Mundo, a place that has very good empanadas, and spent about $19 over there. So anyway, it keeps up with everything that you do. So now let me show you the home automation functions. Now before that, if you click on Auto on the menu over here, and then select Auto again. So iDid supports almost all of the different home automation platforms out there, whether it uses Wi-Fi or Zigbee or Z-Wave. These are all different protocols that home automation platforms use. Now, regardless of which one you're using, I'm going to show you that the interface is very consistent and it works the same way. So you don't need to worry about all the differences, and you can buy different home automation products. Okay, so if I go to places over here, this lists all of the places that I have visited, and the list can get long, but this actually defines your context. This is all the different places. Now, so at home, let me go and set up actions. So I click actions. So here I can set up actions which control what happens when I arrive home, when I leave home, and when I approach home. Let's look at the actions for when I leave home. Okay, so I click on Auto. Now, so set it automatically to range between 65 and 85 degrees, and it's going to do that only when everyone is out of the house. So if I am out of the house and my wife is still in the house, I don't want to be changing the thermostat setting. So that's what I've set it to do. I've got another thermostat downstairs which kind of behaves in the same way, and I have a couple of Belkin devices. Then my Insteon devices over here, so which controls my driveway light. And of course, when I'm leaving the house, and everybody leaves the house, I've set it to turn off automatically. And then I have an office light, and you can see that one is Insteon, the other one is Wink, but they look consistent. They work the same way. And iDid takes care of managing them differently under the hood. And a garage door as well. This is a Lowe's Iris garage door controller, and when I leave the house, I am set it to tell me if I close the garage door. So right now it's saying the garage door is closed, and when I leave leave my house, it's gonna tell me whether I left it open, left it closed. That's the way I have set it over here. So as you see, what we've done is we made it really simple to set up very powerful automations using the iDid application to control the many different home automation devices that you may have.